The PowerXL Duo NutriSealer has many ways to help you keep your food fresher longer. In this video, you'll learn how to vacuum seal with the valve bags you may have received or purchased for your PowerXL Duo NutriSealer. First, let's start with the valve bags. The valve bags come in two different sizes. For these, you'll need to construct the vacuum tube attachment. Place the end of the vacuum tube into the sealer cup, add the ring, and then the sealer cap. Place the other end of the vacuum tube into the vacuum port on the inside of the appliance. Place the foods that you'd like to vacuum seal into the bag. Be mindful of the "Do not fill above this line" directive on the bag. Manually seal the top of the bag. Lay the bag flat on a stable surface and firmly place the large end over the air valve. Press the vacuum only button to vacuum the air out of the bag. The indicator light will turn off once completed. It's that easy. For more information, please go to PowerXLDuo.com.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.